And then the next page, take many notes. When you're doing all your research and things like that, take many notes. Because the notes is really what you always go back to, and you never know. You're going to read something like, oh, I could do that right now. Oh, I got the time for that now. You know, that's what notes are for. And things like that, to remind you of things that the ideas and things that you had when, you know, you were trying to get things going. Okay? Other than that, reach out to me. Or reach out to Miss Ray Von Shea herself. And other than that, I'm finna put this right here. It's gonna be in the link in below, so you can get one yourself. We do got hardbacks for the people that want the hardbacks, but otherwise, just go ahead and get the printable to start it off, so you can get it. You know, you can do a review video too, and let people know how you feel about the SBC, successful by choice. What we say? Successful by choice. Say it for them. Say it. Say successful by choice. All right. With my brother Phase Wave. Man, we out here doing big things in Vegas. Other than that, we catch y'all later. Alright.